Alright, welcome back to the tech channel. So
we got a Vivitar.
We are going to be unboxing this Vivitar. And yeah, it's
a Vivitar what, man? It's a waterproof camera.
It's a Vivitar full HD camera, digital video camera.
Whoa.
Full HD, 180p. 180p quality. You know?
No, 1080p. 180p would literally be 18p.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, it's 1080p. Anyways, so on the side here, you see that is waterproof, shockproof, freeze-proof, and dust-proof.
A lot of things proof.
So we can make an electricity video.
Fam, I got you. Just watch this. Ready? Here, hold it. Hold it right there.
Alright.
Do watch this. Ready? Do not mind anything. Should be able to right now.
Yeah, man.
It's fucking tiny. Dude.
It's like not even the size of my palm.
It's kind of nice though, to be honest.
But yeah, dude.
Oh, it's got a little thing for a tripod if you really want. Oof! That screen cover is so bad. Oh my god. It's so bubbly. Here, hold on a second.
Well, that's the screen protector. I thought you were talking about the actual screen.
Oh, it's even got a little clippy doodad here. Look at this.
Oh.
Okay, let's take out that gay screen protector though. There you go.
Alright.
And you clip it back on with that thing.
Yeah. But
that's sticky. There, oh, it slides on.
So here's the thing.
Did you show me? Oh, so
yeah.
on.
But here's the thing. It includes a bicycle and
helmet mount.
Helmet mount.
Includes 2 mounts. This was only like $50. 54 with all the taxes and other shite.
Yeah. Oh, okay, here's the power.
Let me hold on a second.
So this is what it looks like out of the case right here. It's a big ass case full of small ass camera.
Dude, yeah, that thing is tiny. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Here you go, dude.
So here's this, and then here's the back, and then there's these guys.
Well, everything exploded. Here you go, man. That's your bicycle mount. That's whatever that is. Charging cord. Another piece.
What the fuck is that?
Another piece for whatever that is. And here's your charger. Here you go, man.
Fuck that.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Oh.
12 megapixels.
Oh, this is the strap.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm pretty sure that's trash too.
Wait, hold on.
Alright.
No, this isn't trash. It's for, dude, that's the little thing. You gotta take that off and then you put it on this. Let me show you. Okay, so...
Alright.
It's a little sticky doodad. Does it actually have power?
Oh, yeah.
What does it look like?
You know?
It's
actually not that light. It's so small, but it's like, it's so
it's
good.
Not bad, man. The lighting for this thing is kind of weird. Or at least,
well, I mean,
that's
we had too many lights in here. That's probably why.
It's so, yeah, it looks fine like this, but like up close though, the viewing angles are so bad.
Huh.
But I mean, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Yeah, it's not laggy either. It's pretty nice. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, look at that.
And then yeah, you guys can probably see that. But yeah. How's my hand look? Yep. It looks like how my hand would be.
Okay, so you got
Alright, let's
City Sticky.
Let's hear this nice sound.
Hold on.
That's nice.
Be on the lookout for the video where we test this. Probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
There you go, dude. Now that's on there nice and tight. Pretty sure that's for the head strap, so it doesn't hurt your head when you have it on.
Oh, I see. This is
Yeah, it's
this is probably for the waterproof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's also for the shockproof and other stuff like that. This tiny thing.
Okay, this photo strap.
So this is what it looks like out of the case. Looks
Well, that's in the case.
pretty good. Well, yeah, out in the case. Yeah.
I showed them out of the case.
This must be for.
But yeah, surprisingly, it didn't even. It was surprisingly already charged. So yeah.
I wonder how that goes on. It's kind of weird. Oh, here's a little piece for it though.
Yeah.
Here you go, dude.
Nice. You see, I hate these things.
Wait, can you actually turn on the power here? Oh yeah, these are buttons. Look.
Oh.
I guess you hold the power? Or is that the power? Oh, is that the power? How'd you turn it on?
Hang on. Well, it says power right here, so. Oh, okay.
You see, dude?
Oh,
That's the look for that.
looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Mostly because I
For
think
50
the lens
bucks,
is
this
sticking
actually
out.
isn't trash.
It's probably mostly because the lens is like kind of sticking out. Is it?
It's fine.
Yeah.
We're fine. You might see some bike videos. Who knows?
Who knows?
As a bicycle mount.
Some water videos or some
Water videos, yeah, definitely.
or some dust videos or some electricity videos.
Electricity videos. Nope. Nope.
Dude, that Star Wars curtain looks so dank with this camera.
Star Wars. Here's your charger.
Yeah. I mean, when it's out of its case, it makes a nice sound.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Dude, that's nice though, dude. Nice. 50 bucks, not trash. I mean, we got a good retro console that we set up and tested out.
Yep.
We also showed you guys.
Hey,
That was good.
You guys can go check that out.
Yeah.
That's
We also did
ass.
some gaming on the retro. Did a lot of Street Fighter.
Yeah, cause that shit's pretty fun.
Yeah. You got beat up so much. So what are the settings? That's my question.
The power's right here.
Oh yeah. Do you hold it?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it.
Cool. So what are these buttons? Oh no, guys, the bomb.
Oof.
Oh, that's for pictures. So where's the settings? Is there just straight up no settings? Oh yeah.
Yeah. One sec. Maybe it has to be out of the case.
No, there's just straight up no settings. I mean, oh well. It's not like it's necessarily bad. Yeah, it takes a micro SD. There's your power. Oh, No, there is right here on the tiny
Oh.
little thing. Tiny, very tiny.
Oof.
Hold on a second. Let's get those settings.
What?
It's literally a whole little thing, dude.
So it's like going into like a camera.
Is it original? Is there an okay
Prove it.
one? Try this one. Okay, so it's the same frame rate in this as it is in 1080p. That's actually pretty good. Your image size can be changed too. Everything's ready at the
What was
back.
that before?
Loop record. I don't think you want that on, do you?
What does that do?
So yeah, I think it says loop record. I'll just turn it off for now. Oh, the white balance. That's probably why it's making it so weird.
I think I know what it does, yeah.
You also have EV, date tag, BEP sound. Time setting, auto power off. Oh, you still have more stuff.
Okay, apparently it has a lot of settings.
Screensavers.
Screensavers? What do you mean?
Format your SD card. Reset the system. A bunch of other stuff. That's pretty good. Yeah. That is a pretty good little camera for
like almost $60.
Almost $60, yeah. See, we can't access the menu when it's at the gate.
This thing actually cost me $55, but yeah.
Pretty good price for that. For 1080p.
Yeah, I know.
With no lag.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
I mean,
lag.
what I thought you was...
It's
I
still
thought
better than
would
that
happen...
camera.
What I thought would happen, was that you would have to, like, hold the camera like this, you know? But apparently, you can just hold it like a real camera.
Yeah,
well,
it's still a camera.
A natural camera. Let's turn that off. Oh, okay. Yeah. So for
That's a pretty good little
the
camera.
outside, you just have to
For
like...
the price, that is worth it. That is a good camera for the price.
Yeah.
Extremely worth it.
Walmart, you did good.
That's not a Walmart brand though. That's a Vivitar.
Yeah.
I actually have two drones that are Vivitar. One of them is a camera drone, and then one of them is just a Vivitar drone. They're both the same drone, but one of them has a camera.
Is this part for the bike?
This is the bike mount. And then I don't know what these two parts are for, but I know this is probably a part of this, so it doesn't hurt your head when you have it on.
Oh, so these are the
That's why
bike
they came
ones?
with a little squishy, sticky thing that I stuck to it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright.
hold on a second. Yeah, dude, this thing is sealed. It's pretty good. That is pretty good.
Yeah, this thing like seals pretty damn tight.
Yeah.
So it's like...
He bought this one. Yeah. It's pretty good, man.
Yeah.
I should buy one of those.
Yeah. You guys
I
can
could
probably
right now.
buy one for yourselves.
Yeah. Bought that console yesterday. That was good. Yeah. That console was good.
Alright, so what do you say? You think we should like...
Wrap it up.
You think we should snack this onto my bike and make a gay bike video?
Let me get the micro SD for it first.
Yeah.
Well, I guess honestly that's pretty much just it for the video.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed and keep on
See ya in the next tech video / review / test
keep
/
it up with technology.
Yep.
See ya.
See ya. Bye.